Good morning, class. In today's class, we will be studying about nouns, gender. Dear students, in our previous classes, we have already learned about various categories of noun like common noun, proper noun, abstract nouns, singular, plural, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, etc. In today's session, we will be studying about gender. Now, if we talk about gender, what is gender? Gender is one of the categories of noun, and if we talk about the types of gender, then there are 4 types of gender: masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Let's move ahead and study all of them one by one. So if we start with masculine gender, a noun that denotes a male is said to be of the masculine gender. That means masculine genders are the nouns that tells you about the category of noun whether it's a male or not. अगर कोई नाउन दिया है और वो आपको ये बता रहा है कि उसका जेंडर, उसका लिंग मेल है, then that is known as masculine gender. Example, hero, boy, grandfather. They all shows what? They all shows that they are of male gender, so that is known as masculine gender. Now, easiest way to remember masculine gender is M for male and M for masculine. So, if a gender is male, then it is known as masculine gender. Next is feminine gender. Now, feminine gender is a noun that denotes a female. Examples, heroine, girl, grandmother, etc. Now, heroine, girl, grandmother, they all are representing a female. So, they are of feminine gender. An easy way to remember it is F is feminine and F for female. So, all the nouns that tells you that particular thing or particular noun is a female, it is of feminine gender. Let's look at few examples of masculine and feminine. Like bull is masculine and cow is feminine. Son, daughter, horse, mare, king, queen, husband, wife, gentleman, lady, uncle, aunt, man, woman, bachelor, spinster, nephew, niece. Same way, few more. Cock, the feminine is hen. Feminine of monk is nun, of brother is sister, wizard, witch, sir, madam, dad, mom, father, mother, lord, lady, male, female, fox, vixen, gander, goose. So these are few examples of masculine and their feminine. Few more: god, goddess, actor, actress, waiter, waitress, tiger, tigress, governor, governess, master, mistress, duke, duchess, emperor, empress, hero, heroine, lad, lass, bridegroom, bride, widow, widower. Now let's move on to common gender. A noun that stands for either male or female is said to be of common gender. Means there are certain nouns of which we cannot decide the category that it is male or female, and they are belonging to both the genders. Like if we talk about student, student can be female, student can be male, so it's a common gender. Lawyer, now lawyer can be a lady, lawyer can be a gents, so it's a common. Doctor, sometimes when we visit doctor, doctor is gents or a male, and sometimes doctor is a female. So the nouns that either stands, that are either male or female, they are known as common gender. Like singer. Singer can be a male, singer can be a female. Cat, deer, cup, servant. Now, some of you must be having a male servant, some of you must be having a female servant. Often, baby, child, friend, candidate, leader. We have female leaders also in our country, we have male leaders also. Parent, in parent you will have mummy, papa both, so it's a common gender. Teacher, teacher can be male, it can be sir, it can be madam, so teacher is a common gender. Bird, fish, enemy, infant, eagle, student, applicant, member, etc. So, the common genders are the nouns which can be male or female. Now coming to neuter gender. A noun that names a non-living thing is said to be of neuter gender. N for neuter, N for non-living. So some things around you are non-living things like table, paper, phone. They cannot be categorized into common gender or maybe masculine or feminine. So the nouns that are basically belonging to non-living category, they are of neuter gender. Like chair, tree, mountain, book. Now seeing your book, you cannot say that book is male, female or both. It's a neuter because it's a non-living thing. School, pencil, table, star, street, car, paper, computer, etc. So in picture also you can see these things are there and they all are non-living. So non-living things come under the category of neuter gender. Now let's try out few exercises. Jishan's father is coming from Singapore today. Here father is of which gender? Try it out. Father here is male gender. Love and take care of your mother because there is no one like her in this world. Here mother is a female gender. They are going for a tour to Russia. Here they is a common gender because they can be male or female. Mira's computer is out of order. Computer is with gender, computer is non-living, so it will be neuter. All monks and dash of this church are invited to the program. So, monk is a male gender. What is the feminine of monks? Nuns. She is a famous poet or poetess. She stands for female, so it will be poetess. The guard is waiting for his master and what is the feminine gender of master? Mistress. So God is waiting for his master and mistress. The hero of this film is my favorite, but I have forgotten the name of the heroine. What is the feminine of hero? Heroine. All fishermen and fisherwomen of this area are in a festive mood. Though the weather remains hot during summer, but we enjoy eating different kinds of fruits in this season. Here summer is with gender. Summer will be neuter because you cannot decide the gender. The nurse is taking care of the patient. Here nurse is now nurse can be male, nurse can be female, so it's common. This book is based on real story. Here book is a non-living, so neuter gender. Now, one more thing we have to remember in gender while changing masculine to feminine in a sentence or vice versa, how we do it. When a noun changes from masculine to feminine or maybe feminine to masculine, the pronoun in the sentence also changes. That means, let's see the example. Her mother is a teacher. Now mother word you have to change it into the opposite gender. Now mother is feminine, you will change it into the masculine gender, so it will be father. So it will be his father is a teacher. The girl went to the market with her friends. The boy went to the market with his friends. Now with girl we are using her. So with boy we will be changing the pronoun to his. With mother we are using her. So with father we will be using his. So if you are changing the gender in the sentence from masculine to feminine, accordingly if needed you have to change the pronoun also. Right? So just let's have a quick recap. There are 4 genders. Masculine, that represents male. Feminine represents female. Common represents both either male or female. And neuter is used for non-living things. So I hope genders are clear to you. Thank you.